In front of me is REALME GT 70 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, you need to launch any app you wish to use in this view. I will go with Photos. Now access this app in the background, like that. When you're ready, you need to click on those three dots at the top of your app. When you see this pop-up, select Floating Window and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my app was successfully opened in pop-up view. If you want to minimize it, click on Home button and then tap on this tiny window. You can also tap on Home button and swipe your window to the side to turn it into a bubble. Then to access it, click on the bubble and tiny window. To minimize it, from here, click on those three dots and tap on the minimize option. This way, your window will turn into a bubble instantly. Thanks to this bubble, you can click on any other app and use your window overlay the second one. Now, to scale your window, hold one of its corners and drag it. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it as well. If you want to close your window, tap on the same three dots and hit close. To use it in full screen view, select full screen option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!